Hey, this is Gürol. Today we are going to connect LM Studio with Gemma 4 to VS Code as agent mode. Yeah, this is LM Studio. After installing it, you will see a chat screen, a local server, and models that you already downloaded, and a search for models. If you search Gemma 4, so you will see a list of Gemma 4s. You can check when it is uploaded to the server, then you can choose one of them. This 4 is new Gemma 4, is already in the server. So this is the smallest one, this is the second, the third, and the biggest one. So I tested this one, it crashed my computer, so I'm going to choose this one, which I already downloaded. When you download it, you will see in LLM list. So this is the model we have. All you have to do is on chat screen or in this local server, you can load which model you want. So this is the one that crashes my computer, which my computer has 16 gigabytes of memory. It is Mac Mini M4, and this one is easier to run because I have no enough RAM for that one. When you load it, now API is ready. We can use from this address. You can check if it is working from this, copy, paste in your browser, then you will see that one. And in chat screen, we can already test it. So let's ask something. For example, how many people land on the moon? Okay, 12 men successfully completed lunar surface exploration, which means it is working. Gemma 4 we have in our local now. And we have Google Gemma 4 here. It's already loaded and it says ready. So it is there. Now we can go to VS Code and install what we needed. To use that API, you need an extension called Continuum. So when you search it, you will see Continuum in the list. This one is what we need. Install it and enable it. So it creates a button here. So press settings. You will see some buttons over here. Then in config, you need to set this configuration. This is the API key. It's LM Studio. So this is the link. You can see it is here. So these are the models. If you like, you can see what you have ready. Then this is the name. It's provided by Google in LM Studio. So it's OpenAI provider. Gemma 4 is the name. When you set this configuration, as I have, you will have Gemma 4 here. So select that one. Now we are in chat section, like any other artificial intelligence. So say, hey, we will see if it is working. Yeah, it is working. Then you can choose agent mode. I have an empty folder here. So we are in agent mode now. Then we can ask something to do. Let's start a new project. This will be in Python. This will convert JPEG files to web format. When user runs app, it will check in folder, converts all possible files to web format and write them in out folder. Move not converted ones to fail folder, deletes converted ones from in folder. So this is the prompt. Let's see what it will do. Made something. Well, to be honest, this is very slow, very, very slow. Maybe you can use it to test what is the limits for the local machines now. But a computer like this with 16 gigabytes. Okay. I'm accepting the file generations. It already generated files. Now we need to test it if it is working good. So this is it. Let's first run it, see what it is doing. Okay. Now we have folders. Good. We need to find some pictures. I'm copying 3 pictures over here. Okay, we have some balloon pictures and a cave hotel room. Now we can go there and run it again. So it says make the conversion. So let's check what we have in in folder, nothing, and out folder. Yes, we have same pictures. See if those are web format. Yes, web format. Good. Yes, we've done it. It's possible to make an agent locally to help coding. But to be honest, this is not the level now we want. You can use in some certain points. This is free. See you next time.